up everyone? So it's the next day. My throat is okay. It's not totally fine. It's not totally bad. Worse नहीं हुआ है. I did the Betadine gargles again today morning में. And it's not so. I would say ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे ना बलगम फंसी हुई है. That's it. I'm feeling. Otherwise, my temperature is fine. It's basically below normal only. But Harry checked his temperature early in the morning. It was fine, but around 9:30, 10ish, he had again 99 temperature. And we consulted my chachi, who both are doctors, and they also recently got recovered from COVID. They prescribed the medicines कि at least COVID हो ना हो, ये वाली medicines घर पे रखो. So हमने वो मंगवा ली हैं. And just to make sure, because fever अभी आज भी आया है, I just went for the test. He's wearing double mask at home as well. He's trying not to be close with us, and Kabir is doing fine. So yeah, तो अभी it's 2:10. मैं बना रही हूँ खिचड़ी because हाई की थोड़ी सी एपेटाइट भी कम हुई है. He's not able to eat properly. रात को भी कम खाया है, सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट भी कम खाया है, एंड इसलिए मैं थोड़ा खिचड़ी टाइप की बना रही हूँ कि खाया जाए, न्यूट्रिशनल फूड हो. So that's it. We are not telling our family abhi because we don't want to scare them. We don't want them to take any unnecessary tension because अभी कुछ नहीं पता, हो सकता है वैसे ही हुआ हो because हम बाहर नहीं गए हैं बिल्कुल भी घर से. So the report will take at least 3 days to come, and then we'll see what to do, what not to do. And ये vlog भी I don't think so पहले जाएगा because unless we recover, I don't think so I'm gonna put this vlog up, or we'll see. Like I don't hope this to be COVID, but still, yeah. And I'll keep you updated. What's up guys, it's 7:30 in the evening. Yeah, Harry got his test done. Results 2 या 3 दिन में आएंगे. Yes, they are taking so long to give the results, and his fever was around 100 like in the evening, and yeah, he again had paracetamol. So we started with some antibiotics as well because fever is not coming down. Yeah, and I'm monitoring everything, like his oxygen, pulse, fever, what medicine he's taking, at what time, everything. Like I made a chart और हैरी को कर दिया है आइसोलेट हमने दूसरे रूम में, एंड आई एम दी ओनली वन हु इज़ गोइंग इन टू द रूम. मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है कबीर को दूर रखना पापा से बिकॉज कबीर इज़ वेरी अटैच्ड विद हिज डैड, बट करना पड़ रहा है. एंड वो रोता है जब मैं उसको रूम में जाने नहीं देती, बट आई एम मेकिंग हिम बिजी, लाइक कुछ ना कुछ किसी न किसी एक्टिविटी में. एंड इसने अपना ये हमारे टीवी पे जो यूट्यूब चलता था, इसने वो रिमोट ख़राब कर दिया. सो आई एम अनएबल टू पुट यूट्यूब ऑन टीवी नाउ एज वेल. सो ओनली सेटअप बॉक्स इज रनिंग. सो आई नीड टू सब्सक्राइब सम किड्स चैनल ताकि ये इंगेज रहे एंड पापा के पास जाने की जिद ना करे. सो हियर इज कबीर एंड जस्ट ही वांट्स टू कम अप. सो yeah, we still haven't told anyone in the family, and I don't know when we will be telling. I'm just waiting for the result. I hope ये normal बुखार हो, कुछ कोविड शोविड ना हो. Good morning everyone. So अभी सुबह के बज रहे हैं 7:50. I woke up really early today. I woke up at 6. And at 6:30 Harry just came to my room and he said report आ गई है and it is negative. Yeah, so what a relief. It was such a hard day yesterday because Harry was not like in contact with us. Kabir से वो पूरा दिन he was not like, he didn't met. And though मैं panic mode में नहीं थी जब Harry को fever आया, but there was like a stress back of my mind कि what if it's positive, like what if we catch, you know, how we're gonna manage things. और ये एकदम यंग लोगों के लिए भी फेटल हो रहा है. सो वी वर थिंकिंग कि where we went wrong, we were taking all the precautions. हम छोटी छोटी गलतियाँ जो हम कर रहे थे वो भी माइंड में आ गई, जैसे कि हम नीचे अगर जाते हैं मोटर वगैरह ऑन करने तो वी go like with the same slippers and then we come home and we roam around with the same slippers. So हमने कहा maybe the virus came home from those slippers. So we kept like a separate pair of slippers just to go down, जो कि घर के बाहर ही रहेंगी अब. So you know, maybe whatever happens for best. तो जो हमें चीज़ें लगी कि हम शायद थोड़ी बहुत गलत कर रहे हैं, we'll be taking care of that now, though we are taking quite a lot of precautions, you know, but now we'll be more conscious. इतना मुझे पता है because एक ट्रेलर सा मिल गया कि how bad it can be, how it can take toll on us. So yeah, but Harry's stats are totally fine morning. His temperature is normal, it's 98, so it's good. His oxygen levels are good, pulse is good, so everything is good. He's feeling good, you know. My throat is, I think, almost fine, you know. जो थोड़ी सी खराश लग रही थी वो भी ख़त्म हो गई है. एंड कल हमने 2 या 3 बार काढ़ा पिया. We took steam at least 2-3 times. I think we're gonna practice that more now, just to avoid any complications or any, you know, situation. Yeah. So Kabir also got up really early today. He got up around 7 because उसने मुझे बेड पे नहीं देखा. He normally tends to sleep when he sees me sleeping next to him. तो कई बार 9-10 बजे तक सोता रहता है अगर मैं लेटी हुई हूँ तो. But as I woke up early, I was in the kitchen and he didn't saw me. He got up and he started crying. So he's up. अभी 8 भी नहीं बजे हैं. He's up. उसका टीवी लग चुका है, उसका कोकोमेलन लग चुका है. We just had our morning tea. Though Harry's still taking precautions, he's still wearing a 95 mask around the house. He's out of his bedroom, but he's still wearing mask. He's like not eating with us, like क्योंकि उसके लिए मास्क उतारना पड़ता है. But he's roaming around the house with the mask on. So Kabir also is also happy, like he is getting to see his dad, and yeah, so it's a sigh of relief. Yeah. So yeah, it can be very like difficult, guys. अगर आपके घर में कोई कोविड पेशेंट है, मुझे पता था it is difficult, but एक reality check एक मिल गया एक दिन के लिए कि how bad it can be, how difficult it can be. You are managing everything all by yourself. Anyways, बस अभी थोड़ी देर में मैं करूँगी तैयारी ब्रेकफास्ट की. एंड लाइट से ही खाएंगे, पोहा बनाने की सोच रही हूँ. एंड बाय द वे आई गॉट बर्न हेयर. मैं बहुत जल्दी बर्न हो जाती हूँ. सो ये तेल के छींटे हैं. या सो या स्पॉट निशान पड़ गया, बट इट विल get well soon because I use a lot of skincare, तो वो हेल्प ज़रूर कर देगा. Anyways, I'm super duper relieved and grateful to God right now, and yeah, stay inside, take all the precautions, and I'll see you soon. So guys, I am doing a foundation review today, and abhi tak it's a beautiful, like, see the texture of this foundation. It's really beautiful. I'm loving it. Abhi it's 11:50 right now, and even Harry complimented me the way I'm looking right now. So thumbs up. Anyways, Harry's still maintaining a little distance, wearing mask, and he's in the other room, staying mostly in the other room. Abhi bas main jab shoot karne aayi thi, he was just sitting close to Kabir. Yeah, because कल Harry ने test करवाया है, so he got exposed there wherever testing was going on. It was a drive-through, but still. So we're gonna maintain distance for about like 4 to 5 days. Even his stats are coming normal, everything, even the fever is not there, and he's feeling fine. So, but still, you gotta keep distance and you gotta keep precautions, and you gotta keep him in isolation. So yeah, I think Abhi wants to sleep now because he wake up really early in the morning today, like 7 बजे उठा था, तो 12 बजने वाले हैं. It's already 5 hours he's up. I'm gonna try making him sleep and I'll see you soon. कबीर की कलरिंग बुक आई है with crayons. कलर करो कबीर. एप्पल, हाँ करो रेड कलर करो अच्छे से पकड़ो, करो. Apple. A for apple. A for ये कौन सा कलर है? ये रेड कलर. What's up guys? So I didn't vlog much today, but I'm doing completely fine. Harry's doing completely fine. Everything is normal. But as we talk to our doctors, like my chachi are guiding us because they are doctors. So हम उन्हीं के अकॉर्डिंग चल रहे हैं. And they said like we still have to take it as positive, like even if there's like negative test, because we can't ignore the symptoms. जबकि नहीं है अभी, जब तक ब्लड टेस्ट नहीं होते, जो कि ऑलमोस्ट 5th डे पे होते हैं सिम्टम्स आने के बाद, तब तक we have to like take precautions, because we want to rule out कि ये सच में कोविड नहीं है, because false RT-PCR टेस्ट भी आ रहे हैं, false tests भी आ रहे हैं. So इसीलिए we can't take chances. So Harry is still wearing like masks whenever he's around us. Otherwise he's roaming around here and there. But we are relieved कि negative आया है. Moreover, we are feeling fine now. And yeah, so I don't think so it's COVID. I really don't think so, but we have to rule out. तो blood test के लिए wait करेंगे, blood test करवाएंगे, and then only we can say that it was nothing. Yeah, but that was weird. अगर it's nothing, then एक दिन हल्का सा fever आया, like 99, 100, and now everything is normal. So that was a little weird, but we're still not sure कि it's negative or positive. Though the report is negative, but lots of people are getting negative reports as well. So we need to still take our precautions. We need to still take care. So we are actually having, not we, like Harry is having the medicines. I'm not having because I didn't got any fever. So yeah, so he will be taking the antibiotic course for 3 days. वैसे 5 days होता है, but just because his test was negative, it's cut down to 3 days now. And his little puppy just playing around. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated. And today I made छोले, वाइट छोले, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में बन गए. आई रियली डोंट नो इतने सारे में कहाँ हम कंज्यूम कर पाएंगे कि नहीं. आई डोंट नो व्हेन आई वाज सोकिंग देम, मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था, आई डिडंट रियलाइज़ कि मैं कितने सोक कर रही हूँ. वो एक्सीडेंटली ज़्यादा सोक हो गए एंड अब ज़्यादा बन गए हैं. आई माइट गिव इट टू माई हाउस हेल्प बिकॉज शी डज कम, शी जस्ट डू दी नीचे वाला बेड़ा. सो आई कैन गिव इट टू हर, हाँ जी बच्चा, हाँ मेरे बच्चू, आपको भूखी लगी है? भूखी लगी है? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? अच्छा, फ्लाइंग किच कर दो, फ्लाइंग किच कर दो, फ्लाइंग किच कर दो. कार लेनी है? चलो लेट्स गो टू कार देन. चलो. So I'll see you around. What's up guys, it's 10:30. The lighting is very dim because मैंने बहुत दिन की है क्योंकि कबीर को सुलाना था. I really don't know whether you can see my face or not, but yeah, this is Kabir sleeping. Today he just took one nap. वो भी अर्ली ली थी अराउंड 12 एंड ही गॉट अप अराउंड 2:30 एंड 2:30 के बाद अब अभी सोया लाइक 10:30. सो या आई थिंक दिस schedule is much more comfortable for me to get up early and then afternoon nap, not evening, and then like time पे सोना रात को. Yeah, so बस अब सोने की तैयारी है. Harry is sleeping in the other room and yeah, I really hope ये 3-4 दिन निकले जल्दी से एंड हैरी के ब्लड टेस्ट हों एंड इट कम्स टू बी नॉर्मल लाइक, क्योंकि वैसे तो रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव आई है बट स्टिल वी वांट टू रूल आउट द ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स एज वेल. या सो बिकॉज ही इज़ tired of putting mask all the time in front of us and Kabir ko he's not even picking up, so he's just roaming here and there. Kabir ke sath dur dur se he's playing, but it's hard, it's really hard. Yeah, but I just hope he's सब ठीक रहे. Yeah, so I'll see you some other time. I really don't know whether I'll vlog tomorrow or not, because I don't know. I honestly don't know because I don't feel like doing it. But I will keep you updated whatever happens next. So I'll see you soon. Bye bye.